SiteNinja makes formatting text on a page easy. Here's how. Let's go back into the admin section to the page that we created called Web Design. All pages in SiteNinja use a common HTML editor. This is similar to what you would find in the professional design tools like Dreamweaver. I'm going to copy some text from another page just so we have something to work with. One of the things that you want to do is make sure that any text that you place in the page has been stripped from other formatting. The way you do that is through a little tool in the editor called Paste from Word. Now the text doesn't have to come from Microsoft Word, it can come from any source. I'm going to hit Control V, paste my text in there, maybe even put another paragraph in. Great, so there's my text, free from any HTML formatting that might have come from another source. Some of the things we can do is we can make text bold. I can italicize text. I can underline text. If I want to, I can right justify, left justify, center justify my text. All right. One of the things you can do is apply heading styles to text. Heading styles should not be mixed up with making text bold like we did here with these few words. A heading style is really designed to be the title of a page. For example, under web design you might have a page called Current Design Trends. So I will apply a heading title to that. Now the first heading title we've already used, heading 1, that's the Los Angeles web design, so I would use heading style 2. You see how there's a nice progression of titles throughout this page. For the third page I could create another title, call it Past Design Trends, and I'll apply heading style to that. So what happens, Google comes down this page and they scan the titles of the page. These titles are the most important keywords on the page, so you want to use titles as much as possible. The text you see in the middle of the page is called paragraph text. That's this style right here, paragraph. Some of the other things we can do on a page is create tables, or excuse me, bullet points. So if I want to create a bullet point, say this is my point 1, point 2, point 3. It's really a good idea to use either bullet points or numbering if you have a list. It makes reading content much easier for your visitor than to put items like this in a paragraph. We can use the numbering system. A lot easier to read those. See what else we can do up here. If we wanted to, let's say under the numbers we wanted to indent that, there is an indent feature up here. So we could say number 3 has a sub number, and then if we want to unindent, we can come back out. So some nice little formatting features built into the editor. In another video, we're going to review how to add images and how to add tables to the page. If for some reason you would like to see more of the page than the editor window provides, there is a button up here, toggle for full screen mode. That'll let you see the entire page full width. When you're done, toggle that button again. When we're done with the page, scroll down to the bottom, click our save. To review the page on the public website, we simply click the logo of your site, go back out to page design, and hopefully we have a nicely formatted page. You see your titles, you see your bold text, you see your points, it's easy to read. That's the extent of formatting text for the page.